Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about the 27 hygiene products you'll need after an SHTF situation. Number one is obviously hand sanitizer. Number two would be antibacterial soap. Number three is antibacterial wipes. Number four would be baking soda. There's many uses for baking soda, and that you can make laundry soap out of it. There's many ways to clean with baking soda, as well as hygiene with baking soda. You could brush your teeth with baking soda, okay? Bleach, borax, dental floss, deodorant, disinfecting wipes, face masks, feminine hygiene products, kitty litter. And we're not just talking if you have a cat. If you have to build one of those portable toilets, like out of a 5-gallon bucket, the scoopable kitty litter, you put it in the bottom of the portable toilet, okay? And that will help with when you have to use the bathroom. Laundry soap, microfiber towels. And these are good, like if you don't have actual bath towels, microfiber towels, even though they're small, they will soak up water faster and hold it better than a bath towel will. Like if you have to shower outside, like with a solar shower, that type of thing, okay? Mouthwash, nitrile gloves, non-electric washing machines, paper plates, paper towels, plastic utensils, and portable toilet, like I was just talking about, shampoo and conditioner, a solar shower, toilet paper, a toothbrush and toothpaste, trash bags, a water filter or life straw. Now, my final thoughts on this, okay, wash your hands regularly. Okay, this is something that we've all become accustomed to now. Okay. Keep your clean water clean, okay? And keep your garbage sealed and separate. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I know sometimes I make short videos, sometimes I make long videos, but, you know, that's just the way it rolls. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay warm, stay positive. Keep prepping.